Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today I have for you this burgundy pinky Valentine's Day look. I do show you how I do my eyes and I show you my lips as well. I'm going to be focusing the eyes using this palette, which I've got new. It's the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette. This is the palette we're going to be using today. I pretty much use all the colours minus 2 colours, so that's pretty good. If you want to see how I get this look and a little review on the palette, please continue watching. So as a base, I'm going to be taking Soft Ochre by MAC, which is a Paintpot, and I'm going to be applying that all over the lid. I'm going to be doing a tutorial / review on the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette. I have used a few of this a few times in my Instagram videos, so feel free to follow my Instagram, which I'll link down below, so you can have a look. But we're going to do a full tutorial just using this palette. That wasn't me winking to say like, oh yeah, I'm not really, but no, seriously, I will just use this palette. No winks going on here. So as you can see in this palette, the colour I've hit pan on is mostly this matte bone white shade, because I always use it just to set the concealer under my brows, which if you check out my video, that's either going to be before or after this video on how I do my skin now and my brows, you'll find out what concealer I use. Obviously I'll link everything down below of what products I have on. Yeah, just you literally use it to set the brow bone, because otherwise that's quite a creamy concealer, and if I'm on mascara kind of prints in it, and it's a weird and not nice situation. Now for the first colour, as you can see, I haven't set my eye base because I don't like to do that, because I feel like it just takes away from the pigment of the eyeshadows. I'm going to be taking this colour in the centre, which is like a nice warm brown, and I'm going to be popping that in the crease with a fluffy brush. Next colour I'm going to be taking, by the way, I have kind of been holding this palette upside down, but obviously you can kind of reference the colours. I'm going to be taking this kind of pinky colour, let's call it that, again another matte shade, and I'm going to be using a 221 by MAC, which is a smaller tapered fluffy brush. I'm going to be applying that deeper into my crease. Next colour I'm going to be taking is this dark burgundy shade in the bottom corner. I'm going to be taking that on sort of like a fluffy but kind of flat brush. This one's from my Decay palette. I'm going to apply that on the very outer corner of my eye to add some dimension. I'm also going to take that under the eye as well. Next colour we're going to be taking to add some depth is the opposite corner, which is a kind of like dark purple but slightly burgundy matte colour. I'm going to be applying that into the outer corner and underneath a little bit as well. Do feel free to go back with that kind of first pink shade we use and just blend a little bit if you get a little bit too harsh lines going on. For the middle part of the lid, I'm going to be taking the deepest shimmer, which is between the two kind of dark purples, and I'm actually going to be using my finger because I feel like these shadows in particular apply a lot better with the shimmer being on your finger. So I'm going to just sweep that kind of in the centre of the lid. That is stunning. This whole time you notice I have no fallout, but I have been tapping off my brush just in case. I'm not a person that kind of does base first, but I was filming a separate video, so that's why I've done it that way. I actually like the colour so much, I'm actually going to take it all over the lid because it is literally stunning. And if you don't want it to fall out on your finger, put some on your finger, blow it off. Obviously you're not going to do that if you do it on someone else, but it's your face, girl, so don't be worried. Then for the inner corner, I'm going to take the lightest shimmer, again using my finger. I'm just going to pop it right in that inner tear duct. I think because they're kind of like almost like a foiled shadow, they just apply way better with your finger. I'll probably put a bit of Soft and Gentle, which I have on my cheekbone or my brow bone. That's what I tend to do. So rather than taking black on my waterline, I'm going to be taking like a burgundy red shade, which is a lip pencil by MAC, and it's a Liptensity lip pencil, and this one's called Fire Roasted. I'm just going to be popping that in my waterline. Obviously, if you have sensitive eyes, be careful with what you put in your waterline. I'm absolutely fine, so I'm going to go ahead and use it. But I do advise, if you're a bit sensitive, don't do this. For mascara today, I'm going to be taking, for the top lashes, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Perversion mascara, which I much prefer more than their Troublemaker. I just like it so much more. It has beadwax, so make sure lash is super thick and voluminous. And then for the bottom, I've got MAC's Extended Play, which is really lovely defining natural mascara. I haven't actually used it just on my bottom lashes, but I use it all the time at work. And excuse my miniature size, I need to buy it. I didn't want liner because I didn't want to take away from these beautiful eyes, but I will be applying lashes. Decide if I want to actually use lashes or not. I was going to use these ones I have, which I can't annoyingly tell you the name of them, but I know they're from Primark, and I know they're the ones that are £5, and they're in like the gold packaging. I don't know where my packaging is. They're just super nice though. You might be able to tell. I think they're New York, but then I could be wrong. They just look like this. Oh, they are literally stunning. They're so nice. So I'm just going to shove those on. Give me a bit of drama. Just while the glue on my lashes are drying, I'm just going to be doing my lips. My favourite combo at the moment is lip liner called Boldly Bare by MAC, and then Kind of Sexy lipstick. It's kind of like a nice corally nudie colour, and I'm just obsessed. It's kind of sexy. So here is the completed look. It's like a nice burgundy sort of pinky smoky eye, perfect for Valentine's Day or any glam evening out. I obviously kept Valentine's Day in mind, and of course I used the Huda Beauty palette. So my final thoughts on this palette, I really love the quality of it. Such beautiful pigments. Now I have tried this eyeshadow using just soft ochre, and I have used it using a concealer and setting it. That does not work at all. You want to use a sticky base, because as soon as you set the concealer with a powder, these shades just do not stick. You need it to have a sticky base rather than it being a powder on powder base. Like, they just work so much better. I do also own the Electric Obsessions palette, which of course I absolutely freaking love because it's colourful colours. So if you did want me to do a video on that palette, I can as well. I have used it, again, I've used it on my Instagram tutorials, so please don't forget to check those out. Don't forget to check out my videos for this year, and I'm really sorry I have not posted up until now. I just wanted to improve my videos really, which I haven't done completely, but I'll slowly get there. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!